Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2. If you didn't watch part 1, you might want to back up and watch part 1. I said in the last video that these lines are 1 inch apart on the outside, and the way to prove that, let's set our nudge factor a little lower, like 5 inches. Take the Smart Fill tool, we'll fill that one in, and let's tell you what, let's fill in the middle one. Now to find out what that outside line is, let me zoom in here. We are going to left click, right click. Now we're going to get the shape tool, and I'm going to select that one, holding down the shift key and selecting that one. Right click and break apart. Now you can take the virtual segment delete key and delete those lines. Do the same thing for this one. Right click, left click, break it apart. Don't have to move it. Whoop, I hit the escape key. Now, let's test these lines. They are curved, so let's go to Windows, Dockers, Properties, and hit this. That line is 0.99997. That line is 1 inch. The difference is that my curvature isn't the same. It isn't, it's not exactly 30 inches. But if you look at that, that's about as close to 1 inch as you can get, and that's about as close as 1 inch as you can get on the other side. If you need it closer than that, I don't know what to tell you, but that's dead on. I don't know what he's going to do with it. It's a pretty cool design. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.